Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features a flight test of the CUAV Nora Plus flight controller and the SIYI RC7 remote controller. Nora Plus is an advanced autopilot system independently developed by CUAV. It uses the STM32H7 series processor, which offers better performance than the previous generation PX4 flight controllers. It integrates high-precision industrial-grade sensors and ultra-low temperature drift sensors. Compared to its predecessor, Nora Plus delivers stronger performance and greater reliability. It can perfectly run the ArduPilot firmware, making it an ideal choice for academic research and commercial system integration. SIYI RC7 is a new generation handheld ground control station launched by SIYI, designed for drones, ground vehicles, boats, and intelligent robots. Products used in this flight test include CUAV Nora Plus flight controller, CUAV Neo 3X GPS module and SIYI RC7 remote controller. Pre-flight preparation. First, install the battery on the drone, but do not install the propellers yet. Unlock the motors and check the motor directions to ensure they are correct. Once confirmed, install the propellers. After completing all preparations, you're ready for takeoff. Flight controller impressions. The Nora Plus flight controller uses the STM32H743 processor, running at up to 480 MHz. It comes with 2 MB flash and 1 MB RAM, fully meeting the increasing computational needs of flight control. Even during aggressive stick inputs, the system maintains flight stability well, enhancing overall flight safety and reliability. Control experience. Sensitivity. The SIYI RC7 sticks are highly responsive, accurately capturing control inputs for precise flight maneuvering. Smoothness. The control process is fluid and seamless, with no noticeable delay or stutter, making the flight experience natural and smooth. Feel. The stick resistance is moderate and comfortable to grip, allowing for extended operation without causing fatigue. In this flight test, both the CUAV Nora Plus flight controller and the SIYI RC7 remote controller performed excellently. Nora Plus delivered stable and reliable flight control, while the SIYI RC7 provided sensitive and smooth operation. The two worked in perfect harmony, offering quick response, excellent handling feel, and significantly enhanced the overall safety and comfort of the flight. This makes them a strong choice for professional applications and high-performance needs. That concludes our CUAV Nora Plus and SIYI RC7 flight test video. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the content or would like us to go deeper into a specific topic in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more reviews, tutorials, and user guides on drone technology. See you in the next video.